Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my June unboxing for my Petit Vour subscription box. If you have never heard of Petit Vour before, it is a beauty subscription box that features only natural, organic, vegan, or cruelty-free beauty products. So you can get skincare, body care, makeup, all the types of things you would expect from a beauty subscription box, only with a kind of different spin to it than normal beauty boxes. So everything in here is cruelty free, which is why I subscribe to it. It is $18 a month and you get 4 to 5 samples. Sometimes you get a full size product, and sometimes when you get like a full size or 2 full size products, you might get like 4 samples or 4 products in total. This month we have 5 products and 1 of them is full size. I have already done the math for the amount of product that you get, and it is $50, so it is well worth your money if you are interested in finding new cruelty-free brands to try. So I'm just going to get into it. First up, there was a perfume, and this is from Vermont Perfumery, and this scent is Serena. So Vermont Perfumery is a botanical perfume studio and apothecary born in the Green Mountains of Vermont. Perfumes, skin and body care products are handmade in small batches with pure plant essences sourced from around the world, which are wild-crafted, organic, or pesticide-free. And this, there's a description of this scent, Serena. It says, mischievous mermaid, sovereign princess, or queen, embrace your inner riches and shine. Gardenia and Magnolia grandiflora, open to a tonka glazed green cacao and pink peppercorn heart, finished with a leathery labdanum amber. That was a mouthful. I couldn't really say that. So the first 2 notes, Gardenia and Magnolia, are some of my favorite scents. It looks like it's separated. That's so weird. I wonder if this, hold on, I'm going to try to focus on this little thing. So it's a small sample size, and if you can see it, it's different shades of brown, I guess, and I don't know if it's separated or what. Okay, I am really messy with these types of things, so I'm going to put it back on the crinkly package and try to open it up to smell it. That way if I spill any, maybe it'll just stay in the plastic. My only complaint so far is that it's in one of those test tubes that has like a pull-off top, because they are so messy and I am really klutzy. So let's see. Oh wow. It has a chocolatey scent to it, but still sort of floral and herbally, but to me I smell the chocolate quite a bit. I'm not sure if I would wear that, but I might need to let it, sorry, I'm crinkling this, aren't I? I might need to let this sit out to see if maybe it was affected by the heat, because it was in my mailbox. It wasn't in my mailbox very long, but it did travel here, so I don't know if the heat bothered it. It's starting to like settle down more uniformly at the bottom, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. I'm not sure that I would wear that scent, but I will definitely try it out to see what I think. Next is this Goldfaden, I think it's called Goldfaden MD Solution Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. So this is a mask for problem, oily, and acne-prone skin, and that is the sample size. Dr. Goldfaden's purifying mask effectively draws out bacteria and pore-clogging debris, revealing clear, blemish-free skin. And you apply it thinly on clean skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse thoroughly with water. So I'm excited to try that. I love face masks, and anything that's going to make my skin look better is a plus. It smells good. It smells like kind of like a fresh lotion. So Goldfaden MD is definitely a new brand for me. I've never heard of that before. Now I have heard of the next brand before, and I love them. This is from Juice Beauty. This is a small cleansing bar. It's called the Green Apple cleansing bar. Renew, revitalize, and soften your skin with this cleansing bar, formulated with organic sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, and a blend of organic botanical juices, infused with bright citrus notes to leave skin refreshed and glowing. Oh, you can use it all over your body. It smells really good. It has like a very fresh, like kind of like a summery, fresh kind of scent. I think I'm really gonna enjoy that. So I thought it was a face bar, but I guess it said to use it all over your body. So we'll see how that works. This next one I'm really excited about as well because it's a hydrating rose toner. I love rose toners. I really see a difference in the hydration of my skin when I use them, and really anything with rose, like rose hip seed oil, anything is good for your skin. So this is Mune Anna Rose Hydrating Rose Toner. It has a little sample, and yeah, it smells, okay, I think the cap just smells different than the product. The product smells like rose. The cap, however, has a very strong plastic smell, probably from being in the heat outside. So yeah, I will definitely be using that tonight. And last but not least, a lip product, and I already peeked at this color. This is from Clove and Hallow. It's a lip glaze, and this is the color Angelic. It's a really pretty mauve. I haven't tried it out, but let me let this focus on it. You can see the color right here, and that is the color of it. So let's see. Oh, okay, that's weird. I think I just messed it up. Oh, I see. I opened the wrong end. So this is like one of those click up things with a brush on the end where you paint it onto your lips. So I'm not going to take your time listening to this, or am I? I can see the product going up, but I think it's going to take a while to get through to the brush. Oh, there it goes. All right, so you can see a swatch of this. This is exactly the type of color I like to wear every day, and it has a nice sheen to it. It feels nice and thick, so we'll see if it's sticky though. I'm not gonna put it over what I have on right now, but that is a very pretty summery color. Can't wait to wear it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you get Petit Vour. I'd love to know what you thought of this month's box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.